The hardware stores are all closed, you've got to plant your garden, but you don't know where to get your seeds. Today we're going to see if we can just go to the bulk food store and buy beans from them, buy seeds from them, and just check to see if they're going to germinate. Alright, so there are many different kinds of beans you can get at the dollar store. We've got kidney beans like this, we've got Adzuki beans, falling beans, pinto beans, and let's just create a really simple setup to throw a few of these beans in, just see if they're going to germinate. This is going to be super basic. It's not how you would typically germinate these. Normally I would just plant them straight in the ground, but all we want to see is a proof of concept if these regular old beans are going to get the job done. So there we have it. This really doesn't come as a surprise to me. I've done a lot of sprouting before, and mung beans are always a favorite to go to for sprouting. And anybody who does sprout quinoa or mung beans will know that you can always go to the bulk food store, any bulk food store, get your beans, get your seeds, and they're more than likely going to sprout. There's going to be the odd one that doesn't. So one of the things I'd be curious to know is how many people here have grown these different styles of beans before. Like, I plant a lot of bush beans, the green or yellow bush beans, but I've never planted Adzuki beans or pinto beans or black beans. I've never grown mung beans, although I've eaten a lot of sprouts. So the question is, how many people who are watching this have actually planted a lot of these, what for me would be more exotic beans than your regular yellow or green bush beans? please leave a comment down below. I'd be really interested to see how popular it is for people to actually start growing these. So that's that. I hope this was helpful. I am going to do another video on seeds, specifically like celery seeds, sunflowers. I will cover quinoa, just to give you an idea of those ones as well. And then maybe in the future we'll look at other things like going to a dollar store or like a bargain store and picking up things like bird feed or animal feed and stuff like that, and seeing if is that also viable for growing for food in your home. Is it another source of seeds when the hardware stores are down? So thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. This is Rat. He is a stray that climbed into my landlady's car. It is now the newest addition to the family. He can be a little bastard, but I love you. Can you use blah 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 blah? Oh, Kitty, what are we doing? What the hell are we doing? Am I still recording? Really?